Hey everybody, thank you very much for checking out this video. I have some estate pipes that I found. They're tobacco pipes. They're pretty old. I do want to do a restoration on them. I have already started on one of the pipes here, and I did want to just kind of make a video showing the whole process. The only thing I've done to this pipe is I've cleaned the pipe stem, and I've reamed the pipe as well. So I want to go ahead and do that with all of these other pipes here. The first set of pipes here, they are, I would say, a little bit less expensive than the back set. So I'm going to do the first set because I've never done this before. I'm not a professional. I do not have any expertise on this. I've been watching a lot of videos. I've been trying to gather as much information as I can. So bear in mind that I'm not an expert. I do have a buffing wheel. I do have the compound that's necessary. I have wax. I've got a reamer. Pipe cleaners, alcohol, got all the stuff that I need to do this, so I just need to attack it and go forward. So here we go. The first thing that I want to do is clean the pipe stems. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in an OxiClean solution, but all the pipe stems on this first rack here, those are the ones that I'm going to do first. They're all just plain stems. None of them have any sort of emblems or any markings on the stem that I have to worry about. So I'm just going to go ahead and take all these off and do that. None of these pipes really have any teeth chatter to them, so the most I'm going to have to do is clean up the stems. I'm going to have to deoxidize them. I'm going to have to clean out the inside of them as well as the inside of the pipes. It's cool looking. Now that I have all of the pipe stems detached, I'm going to take a hot water solution, and I'm going to mix that. I'm going to make a solution with water and OxiClean. So you can use any type of all-purpose, you know, white powder like this, but OxiClean is the name brand, and that's the one I have. I don't think there's an exact ratio for this, so I'd say more is better than less. But the key to this solution is making sure it's a hot water solution. I've done this once before, and it takes about an hour. I'm going to put all the stems in here. I'm going to let them soak for about an hour. And when they come out, they're going to look like new. Alright, so now I just need to let that hot water solution sit and OxiClean. If you want to take a look at that, it is already eating away all of that corrosion and oxidation on there. So that's going to work on it right now. So an hour from now, this is going to be very disgusting looking, but we're going to come back and check it, and we're going to see what it looks like and see how it turns out.